Good morning students. In the previous video you have studied about distribution of water and the story of Ghatsisar Lake. Today we will discuss about water conserving techniques which are very important and easy to conserve water. Students, observe and find out the areas around your school. Are there any fields, farms, pakka roads or drains? Or is the area is slopy, rocky or flat? Now one more question. जब भी वहाँ बारिश होती है तो बारिश का पानी कहाँ जाता है? ड्रेन्स में, पाइप्स में या पिट्स में? एंड क्या इनमें से कुछ पानी को मिट्टी सोख लेती है? सो टू नो दिस, लेट्स डिस्कस द टॉपिक ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप. Besides Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan get very little amount of rainfall. But most of the villages in these areas did not have a shortage of water. Remember, these areas are not having the shortage of water. And why so? Because people know that every drop of water is very precious. So they all together made lakes and johats to collect the rainwater. Here you can see the picture lakes and johat they used to make together. And apart from this method, every house also had a system to collect the rainwater. Students, look at this picture in the left side. How do you think the rainwater that falls on the roof will reach the underground tank? So for that you will have to draw the path. Now let's see what is the path. Firstly, the rainfall. Here you can see the rainfall in the roof goes from the roof to the pipe, and then these pipes carries the water to the underground tank. Okay, so this is the total process, and this process is called rooftop harvesting, or we can say it rainwater harvesting. So let's discuss about rainwater harvesting. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में ही देख सकते हो, ये एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें वाटर को वेस्ट ना करके उसे स्टोर किया जाता है, एंड इसमें रेन वाटर को कलेक्ट करके पाइप के थ्रू टैंक्स में या डीप पिट वेल्स में या रिजर्वायर में भेजा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज it is the collection of rainwater from a surface that allows for the rainwater to be stored and used at a later time. And later we can use the water for many purposes at our home. So overall, this process includes three essential steps. And these steps are: step 1, collection of rainwater. Step 2, treatment and storage of rainwater. Step 3, reuse of rainwater. So now let's see the benefits of this process. First is, it is a free resource because we are collecting rainwater, and just because of this it is environmental friendly also. So we can say it is environmental friendly method. Okay, now third is, it is a great backup resource when we faced with a water crisis. And fourth is, it is not expensive and it is also easy to maintain. Easy to maintain means जब भी हम वाटर क्राइसिस को फेस करते हैं तो we can use this collected water, and it is not so much expensive because we only need a pipe and a tank system to collect it. And last and fifth point is, that is, it recharges the groundwater levels. Okay, now this groundwater was collected through step wells in some areas of Rajasthan. So here the main question is, have you ever seen a step well? क्या कभी आपने step wells को देखा है? Students, look at these two pictures. In Rajasthan, these step wells are called Bauli or Baudi. Okay, so instead of drawing the water up from the well, the people could go down the steps and reach the water. Okay, they used step to go down and to come up, and that's why these are called the step wells. So this was all about water conserving techniques. In next video we will talk about some customs related to water.